experiencing early above normal fire activity this spring.
It's early snow melt among the weather factors getting the blame. There are already dozens of active wildfires in Canada, the majority in Alberta. I'm Irene Franklin.
And the Prime Minister will be taking the stand this afternoon at the public inquiry into foreign interference.
We've been hearing from 3 cabinet ministers in advance of the Prime Minister's testimony, and former Public Safety Minister Bill Blair says in 2019 he was briefed about the allegations that China had meddled in the nomination process of President Young. But he's had the inquiry refusing to any proof from that when he questioned CISA's further about the claims.
They indicated to me that they did not at that time have other corroborating evidence in any way to substantiate that.
Former Democratic Institutions Minister Karina Gould says she was also told of low-level Chinese meddling in the campaign, but she says that the system they set up to track interference had all parties agreeing that